Hi everyone and welcome to today's video. Today I am trying out Tarte Foundcealer multitasking foundation, and it has an SPF of 20. So yeah, helps prevent sunburn. Put your sunscreen on anyway underneath. Don't trust this just to be your sunscreen. Just a little tip. I'm trying to see what it said. Actually, let me go look on the website. It says a vegan makeup and skincare hybrid that's an everyday foundation for achieving an a vegan makeup and sunscreen a vegan makeup and skincare a vegan makeup and skincare hybrid that's an everyday foundation for achieving an ultra comfortable natural radiant finish and custom coverage. The coverage is medium, so it's not full. I mean, concealer usually is full coverage, which is a little confusing, but okay. Ingredients: Babassu nourishes, moisturizes, and soothes. Sunflower seeds, which is rich in vitamin A and E to help hydrate and condition the skin. And hyaluronic acid, which we all know retains moisture for optimal hydration and refreshed appearance. Okay, so my only question was like, it's foundation slash concealer, right? Basically Foundcealer. Do I use it more as a foundation? Do I use it more as a concealer? Like, do I put concealer on also? Because then I saw someone do that and I'm like, well, what's the point if you're going to put liquid concealer on too? So I'm not going to do that. But I'm going to use like a powder for the highlight area here. You know, like my, what do you call that? Like contour kit. I'm just going to highlight that area here and hope that this does enough, because I do like to brighten that area up. So, because I don't want to do layer upon layer. I'm just kind of like lately getting away from that. But let's check this out. My color that I got is 27N. So 27N is light, medium, neutral. And I got this in Sephora, and she actually found the color for me. So I know that this is the right color. Okay. Pretty bottle. Pretty bottle. How do I do this again? I think I... Oh, okay. You just turn it. That's all. Which is nice. It kind of keeps it, you know, all good. And I don't really do primer, so I'm not going to go in with primer. Okay. And I've been using my hands lately. I don't know. It just works for me. So let's do this. I don't want to start off with a lot. I always mean to do my forehead last, but it's just habit that I go up there. Starting in the middle. I'm going to put this in this way. Okay, so definitely not full coverage, because I see a little redness still. But you know what? It's not like you know how lately I've been using BB creams and it doesn't sink into my pores, which is good. It's not showing like my pores or anything, and I don't feel like I have a lot of product on, which is a nice feeling. So I'm going to go in just a little more in the cheeky area, which is what I would do where I put my concealer. Put a little excess on my neck. Oh, you know what? I didn't want to do my neck today because I'm wearing a shirt that goes high. I might remove that because I really don't want to get that shirt dirty. Today's Mother's Day, by the way. Happy Mother's Day. Although when you see this, it'll be belated Mother's Day. But today's Mother's Day. So, and no surprise, it's a terrible rainy day here in New York. So, whatever. I've pretty much come to accept that it's going to rain every single day. It is what it is. Okay, so, let me just, so that I don't keep bending forward, because I hate when I see that I do that and then I get out of range. So let me get my hand mirror and just take a quick look. Wow, this looks really nice. I mean, it's very natural. If you like full coverage, you might want to add concealer then. I mean, I have to wonder, for that much money, do I even need this? But, yeah, I guess it evens out my tones, right? I don't know. I just feel like for that much money, BB cream, but I mean, it looks good. Do I put a little more on? I hate a lot of product on my face. Do I need a little more? Maybe I don't. Maybe I don't. I feel like I could use a little more here again, but I really was putting it on there, so I don't think it's going to matter. Okay, so let me finish the rest of my makeup, and I'm just going to do it really quick, and I'll take you along, and we'll see how it's lasting throughout the day, how it lasted at the end of the day, etc., etc. Okay? Okay, makeup is complete, and I think it looks good. The Foundcealer. It does look good. It's not cakey looking. You know, I added powder and stuff after. But I wanted to see how it works with my other makeup, how I would normally do my makeup. So I guess we'll just have to wait and see. And that's it. So I guess we'll see how it goes throughout the day, and I'll stop talking and I'll catch you in a bit. Okay, so we are on our way to the nursing home to see my mother for Mother's Day.
Hey.
And it's horrible out, as you can see. If not, I don't know if you can see that, but it's rainy again. And Sophia's driving. Hi, Sophia. Hi. Got hubby in the middle, in the front. And yes, so I'll show you my shirt when I have my jacket off. It's a present from my lovely daughters. They got me a shirt that I wanted so bad from Anthropology. Yeah, so when I have my jacket off, I'll show you, but I have to put this jacket on because it's raining and I don't want to get wet, and it has a hood. So, catch up with you in a bit.
You got like a feather right by you.
Oh, it's Grandpa. That's from my coat. My coat has so many feathers. No.
Too hot?
What? You don't like it? Why would you get a suit? Oh my god.
Do you want one?
That's my makeup look, actually. This is supposed to be a makeup look. Looks good. Oh really? How does it look?
I'm so close to your face. It's good.
I think it looks good.
Oh my god, I'm so hungry.
Alright.
It's kind of weird lighting, but yeah.
Alright. I think it's holding up well.
Mongolian beef crutch sticker.
I'll come back later.
Mongolian.
Oh, I almost washed my face. Like literally had the water running. I did brush my teeth and I'm like, oh my god, I forgot to check in. So my makeup doesn't look that bad. The lighting's not great right now. But before I did this, I did look in the mirror close up, and I feel like right here, and you're probably not going to see it here. I don't even know if I should bother getting close up. You're not going to see it. It's like, I guess, breaking up. Like, I look up and I see it sitting on the top of my skin in patchy areas. I don't know if that's the powder, but I always use that powder, to be honest with you. And I've never had that problem. So it leads me to believe that it is the Foundcealer. So I'm not going to use that, because why would I use something when I have other products that don't do that to my face? Granted, it's late. It's after 11. It's almost 11:30 at night. I did wear this. I put this on early, like, 11 this morning. So it did look good all day. I'm not going to say it's a total washout, but long lasting, no. I don't think it's long lasting. So I hate spending my money. I really should start asking for samples of these things, because I think you could do that at Sephora. I just always feel bad asking. So stupid. But what a shame. Whatever. I just know that I'm not going to use something if other products look better. Like, I really like my BB creams and stuff, because there's nothing to really show. Like, this is a foundation, concealer, which is sitting now on the top of my skin all patchy. Just right here, to be honest with you. Well, I did put extra there too, but I mean, I don't know. I feel like I needed to. And then, I don't know, I just feel like it's not necessary. Like, I don't know. I'm fine with just my BB creams. So, I don't know, for me personally, and for my skin type, I just don't feel like I need it. I'm just better off with other products. Don't mind my messy background. It's so messy background. Okay, so let me close this up because I gotta get to bed. I have work tomorrow. So, didn't love it. Didn't hate it though. It looked good all day until the end of the day. So long wearing, no. Full coverage, no. So, I don't know. Okay, so that's it. Please give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe if you haven't. Don't forget to check me out New York, I keep saying that, NY Curl 401 on Instagram. And until next time, have a great day and good night.